digital marketing is a broad term that encompasses the use of digital channels such as websites, social media, search engine, email, and more to promote and advertise products or services. Learning digital marketing is valuable. Why? Because online presence, it helps businesses establish and enhance their online presence, reaching a wider audience. Okay, targeted advertising. Digital marketing allows for targeted advertising. Okay, it allows for targeted advertising, reaching specific demographics and interest. Analytics and data marketers can analyze digital data to understand customer behavior, preference, and effectiveness of campaigns. Okay, cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional marketing, digital marketing often offers more cost effective methods for reaching and engaging with the target audience. So this is a very short way that I describe in digital marketing and why we learn. There are a lot of content, okay, that will definitely I'll provide in my next video. Thank you so much for watching my video.